there are ways other than the calling the physiotherapist at home. I had a very severe kind of a pain problem in my hip joint. So that's why they had to do this revision surgery. That revision hip surgery is a very, very major surgery, and where a lot of muscles are cut. In fact, in the first surgery, when femur and the head, everything is replaced. I mean, it is a nightmare really, and takes a lot of time. I mean, during the consultation, I told her that I'm in a very bad shape, but I want to continue my physiotherapy. So she said that you will be on your feet after 2 months or so. The consultant which the physio is having, she is really a nice consultant. She was instrumental in giving a lot of boost in confidence, that she made me realize that you will be able to walk. You will be on your feet one day. That's how you see today. I'm much better. I mean, quite comfortable, and they are able to explain very nicely. Taught me that what is the correct way of doing these exercises, and they insisted that if I do it in a correct way, then only I will be able to walk without any limp, and my gait would be all right. The experience with both the physiotherapists was very good. Both were very, very, hardworking, and also suggested me various things, even which were beyond their purview also. The thing is that I was not able to walk independently. So that I have started doing. I was earlier doing walking with a walker. Then I did with a 3-pronged stick, then with a single stick. I'm still using for long distance, single stick when I'm moving out. But morning and evening, I'm doing morning walk and evening at home for about 25 to 30 minutes. So that I'm able to do now without stick. So there is a lot of improvement. Given me a choice, I would like to go for online now, because you see, online gives you much more freedom. Number one, that you are not physically inviting anybody at home, or you don't go to any physiotherapy center. So commuting time and other things. And secondly, online physiotherapy is economical also. I'm highly thankful and grateful to both my physiotherapist as well as to the consultant, that they have been really instrumental in my physical improvement of the whole thing.